Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete credit card from Amazon account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're looking to delete a credit card from your Amazon account, then first open up your web browser and go to amazon.com. After that, sign into your account, and you will on this page. Once you are here, start by clicking on Account from the top right menu on the Amazon homepage. Once inside your account settings, look for and click on Your Payments. This will open up your Amazon wallet, where all your saved credit and debit cards are listed. From here, locate the credit card you want to delete. Click on it, and you'll be given a few options. To remove the card, choose Edit or Manage next to it. Once you're in the card settings, look in the lower left corner for a red button labeled Remove from Wallet. Click on that, and Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision. Just click Remove again, and the card will be permanently deleted from your account. This process works the same whether you're on desktop or using the Amazon app. It's a quick and secure way to manage your payment methods, so if you've got an expired card or one you no longer use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete credit card from Amazon account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.